This PB2 lecture low-tech review page is certainly a buffet of terms. What do you call a viral infection of the bronchioles? This facilitates the exchange of oxygen and CO2 to and from tissues. It's a little bit generic, but see what you can do with that. This is what elicits an immune response in your body. This pumps blood through your circulatory system. These are part of specific immunity, and they consist of B cells and T cells. What's the science word for red blood cell, the science word for white blood cell? And what do platelets do?